forget to like and subscribe to AI Animal Wishes. Today is your very first birthday, Luna, and let's make it magical with a little birthday shopping.
Yay! I can't wait, Mama. Mama, balloons. Yellow one.
Of course! A birthday needs balloons. Let's choose your birthday cake.
I want a star cake. Toy guitar. Toy guitar.
Perfect for the birthday musician. We need treats for your friends.
Cupcakes. Pink cupcakes.
Let's pick decorations. Your party must look magical.
Stars.
And ribbons.
Mama, up. Up.
You're getting so big.
Party. Party soon? Huh?
Yes, tomorrow you turn 1, my little star. Tomorrow is the big day. Good night, my little star. Tomorrow is your special day. Good morning, birthday baby I'm. 1? Let's dress you up, sweetheart.
I want to look sparkly. So many colors, Mama.
Your birthday must shine bright. Are you ready?
Wow, a star cake.
For my little star.
A guitar. My little musician.
Thank you, friends, for coming today for all the love and fun and play. That's my talented girl.
Make a wish, Luna. Woo! Yay! Cake for everyone.
You're so kind, Luna. Did you enjoy your day?
Best day ever.
Happy first birthday, Luna.
Love you, Mama. Good night.
Thanks for watching. I'm your tiny friend, sending sparkly wishes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.